Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to log in Quick Car Finance. First step is to open your browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in Quick Car Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now it will lead you to a login page. Here you have to type in your mobile number, so type in your mobile number. Now if you click on request code, it will send a verification code on your mobile number. It can also send the code on your email or on your WhatsApp. Now click on request code, and after that you have to type in that verification code, and following this simple step you are now able to log in Quick Car Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.